channel. I am Cem Kaplan. Today we are going to make lentil balls. It's so delicious appetizer. Let's start our recipe. To start with, I will lentils. It's red lentil. 1 glass of lentils. I will wash the lentils. And 4 glasses of water. Now I add the lentils and water. Please boil it 15 to 20 minutes. Let's wait. As you see, I boiled the lentil. Then I will add couscous, or you may know as bulgur. It's famous here. I will add 1 glass, around less than 1 glass, and mix it. I will close the lid and wait for half an hour. I will use 2 small onions. Chop them very finely. I chop the onions and add some olive oil and saute them. Chop them finely. I will use parsley and spring onions. Chop the spring onions. Don't forget to stir the onions, by the way. I will use 1 spoon of pepper and tomato paste. It's a mixture. 1 teaspoon of dried mint. 1 teaspoon of purple basil. Half teaspoon of chili pepper and some black pepper. And 2 teaspoons of salt. We have couscous and lentil here. I will add tomato paste and onions on it. And mix them. Now this is cool. I wait for half an hour or 40 minutes. Add spring onions and parsley. And stir it again. You can also use your hands. As a final step, I will use some greens. As I mentioned, this is cool. Now shake the mixture with your hands like this. Squeeze a little bit with your hands. As you see, our plate is ready. Lentil balls are a good appetizer. I advise you to try it. Today's quote is, as Bruce Lee said, the more we value things, the less we value ourselves. Finally, let's try our recipe. Put your lentil ball in a lettuce and squeeze some lemon. And try like this. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also visit my website down below. See you on our next episodes. Ciao.